Picture this: the lights dim, the air feels electric, and right in front of you stands a machine that doesn't just look fast, it feels alive. The 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4 isn't a motorcycle you simply admire. It's a motorcycle that stares back at you and dares you to keep up. From the very first glance, it feels like you're not looking at a bike built for the road, but at a weapon forged for the track, refined by champions, and unleashed for riders who crave something more than just speed. This is the kind of bike that makes your heart rate rise before the engine even starts, the kind of design that whispers danger and dominance in the same breath, the kind of presence that silences a room the moment it rolls in. Every line on the 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4 feels intentional, like it was carved by the wind itself. The aerodynamic bodywork flows like liquid metal, sharp yet elegant, aggressive yet perfectly balanced. The fairings hug the frame so tightly that the bike almost looks like it's in motion, even when standing still. The front end looks predatory, focused, and razor-sharp, with a stance that says this machine was born on the starting grid, not in a parking lot. The way the light dances across the carbon fiber surfaces, the way the curves blend into the edges, the way the tail section tapers like a blade, it all feels less like industrial design and more like automotive art. And then there's the heart of this beast, the V4 engine. This isn't just about horsepower figures on paper, this is about character, emotion, and raw sensation. The sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine, a deep, aggressive growl at low revs that transforms into a high-pitched scream as you climb through the RPMs. It's the kind of sound that turns heads from blocks away, the kind of sound that tells everyone nearby that something serious is approaching. Twist the throttle and the response feels instant, like your thoughts are directly connected to the rear wheel. There's no delay, no hesitation, just pure, brutal acceleration that presses you back and dares you to twist harder. What makes the 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4 truly special isn't just power, though. It's the intelligence behind the performance. This bike feels like it's thinking with you, not against you. Advanced electronics manage traction, wheelie control, slide control, engine braking, and power delivery so seamlessly that you feel more confident with every corner you take. It's like having a professional race engineer riding with you invisibly, constantly adjusting everything to make sure you're getting the maximum performance without losing control. Whether you're pushing hard on a track day or carving through empty roads at sunrise, the bike feels composed, planted, and incredibly precise. Sit on it and you instantly understand that this machine was designed with racers in mind. The riding position is aggressive but purposeful, putting you in command rather than discomfort. Your hands naturally fall onto the clip-ons, your knees grip the tank perfectly, and your body feels locked in, ready for battle. The seat, the tank shape, the foot peg placement, everything feels like it was measured for speed. It's not trying to be comfortable for everyone. It's trying to be perfect for the rider who wants the ultimate connection between human and machine. And that honesty is exactly what makes it so special. The technology on board feels straight out of the MotoGP paddock. The digital display is crisp, modern, and packed with information, yet it never feels overwhelming. You can customize riding modes, adjust electronic settings, monitor performance data, and fine-tune the bike to match your riding style. It feels like a cockpit, not just a dashboard. Every button, every menu, every detail feels premium and purposeful, reinforcing the idea that this is not just a motorcycle, it's a high-performance instrument. But beyond the specs, beyond the design, beyond the technology, there's something deeper about the 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4. It carries a legacy. It carries the DNA of racing victories, of legendary riders, of late-breaking overtakes and podium celebrations. When you look at this bike, you're not just seeing a new model, You're seeing decades of Yamaha racing heritage distilled into one breathtaking machine. It feels like a tribute to speed itself, like a bridge between the racetrack and your own ambitions. And let's be honest, a bike like this isn't for everyone. It's for the dreamers who grew up watching races and imagining themselves on the grid. It's for the riders who don't just want transportation, but transformation. It's for those who crave adrenaline, precision, and presence. The kind of riders who understand that riding isn't just about getting from point A to point B, but about the feeling in between, the rush, the focus, the freedom, the connection. The 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4 is the kind of bike that makes ordinary rides feel cinematic. A late-night cruise through empty streets feels like a movie scene. A sunrise ride feels like a personal victory. Even standing still in your garage, it feels like a trophy, a statement, a piece of the future sitting right in front of you. It doesn't just elevate your riding, it elevates your identity as a rider. And maybe that's the real magic of this machine. It's not just about speed, it's about emotion. It's about the way your pulse syncs with the engine. It's about the way your confidence grows with every corner. It's about the way you look back at it every time you walk away because you can't help yourself. The 2026 Yamaha YZF M1 V4 isn't just a motorcycle you own. It's a motorcycle that owns a piece of you.